Here we go again. Siona tier 88. Yeah, looking good. Looking brilliant. So yeah, Siona. Let me just switch this around so we don't do anything. Oh, it's going to be upside down. Alright, here we go. Siona. Tier 80. Yeah, good. Cute. Anyway, what are your opinions of her? Say in the comments below. Load out. Mini moon. Looking good. Cosmic cleavers. I use Eternal Void bubbling. I won't use that. I'll use this for Eternal Void. Cosmic cleavers. I haven't got the pickaxes yet, so you just see for that. For the Eternal Void though. Star Strider. Looking good. Photon. Cool. Sonica. Or up a minute. It's animated. Let's look at the shop. Let's quickly look at the shop before I press anything wrong. Yeah, we've got Love Ranger in. Lovely Love Ranger. Love Ranger. Yep. I have feeling jaunty. I have feeling jaunty. Feeling jaunty. I could have got this one. Kind of looks like flipping away a little. There's a premiere going on. So yeah. If you want to buy any of these skins, make sure you use the code. I don't have a code, so use someone else's. Like lasers. Yeet. Yeet. Yeah, use the yeet code. Starter pack. Yeah, might get that one. Infinity. I think, you know the fade glider? That's bubblings. Yeah, this one. This will go well with Dream. I don't know why Dream is not in the shop today. Usually comes with Infinity. Anyway, Sonica. There's a little bit more to go. 20 more tiers. Like, hey, look at this about. Planetary vibe. Planetary vibe. I have her. I just gotta get closer to this about. It's awesome. It's amazing. Oh yeah. There's one more boat here. Why is it here? I don't know. Why is Ramirez here? No idea. Ramirez. I don't know. God, what other? It still looks like Ramirez. So yep, Eternal Night is the next goal. Next objective. Yep. Look at that Blight Knight style. I want him so badly. Yeah, boy. Ah, looks like Ultimate Knight. Masked Fade. Tier 2. I know Fade is tier 1, but gotta call him a tier 2. So yeah. Hey, this is the 4th tier. Siona. Alright. 20 more tiers to go. Will I make it to Eternal Night before the end of this week? I don't think so. I'm probably gonna have a little. Oh, look at that. There's a friend. Yeah! Nathaniel, again. Cool. So yeah, Siona with the lobby. Doing the last season's purple move. Springy. Can I just... Honk honk! Alright, time to finish off the video. Goodbye! See you up at 100 rows, and ladies and gentlemen, the grind for T100 begins right about now.